Hi there and welcome. Congratulations for actually taking the necessary steps in order to bring you to this video, which is video number one, step number one. And how we're going to proceed going forward is at the end of every single video, on the top, either this side or this side, there's going to be a video for you to click on, which will take you to the second video, which is step number two. Now, in this video, I want to share with you, you will need a device to shoot from. So let me show you what it is that I'm using. So the camera device that I'm using to shoot from and record at the same time and do everything is called the Logitech C930E webcam. It shoots at 1080p, which I know there's 4K, but this is 100% perfect. It works for me. And you can get this from Takealot. If you are from South Africa, you can get it from Takealot. Otherwise, get it from Amazon.com. And then the microphone, I'm using a microphone, so you can see it's attached to my chest right here. So I'm using the Boya BY-M1 microphone. So let me show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and this is basically what it looks like. So that is what I'm using, the C930 Logitech webcam as well as the microphone. So this is step number one. Step number two, video number two, either this side or this side, I'm going to show you basically how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so see you in step number two.